In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove favorites in Microsoft Edge. Favorites in Edge are simply your bookmarks' quick shortcuts to the sites you visit most. Let's start by adding a page you want to save. First, head to the website you'd like to keep handy. Look to the far right end of the address bar and click the star icon labeled Add this page to favorites. A small window will appear. Here, you can give the favorite a clear, memorable name, which makes it easier to find later. You can also choose where to store it. Pick a folder that suits how you browse. For example, selecting the favorites bar places it in the row beneath the address bar if that bar is visible on your setup. When you are happy with the name and location, click Done. That's it, the page is saved. If you ever see the star already filled, it means the page is already in your favorites. Here is also a faster way to add the current page. Press Ctrl-D on your keyboard. This opens the same Add dialog instantly, so you can rename the favorite. Choose a folder like Favorites Bar or another folder you use. And then click Done. This shortcut is perfect when you are moving quickly through tabs and want to capture useful pages without breaking your flow. Now, let's look at removing a favorite you no longer need. To view and manage your saved pages, click the favorites icon, the star with 3 lines up in the top right corner of Edge. If you prefer the keyboard, press Ctrl+Shift+O to open the same favorites view. You'll see your folders and saved links in a panel. Browse or search within that list to locate the favorite you want to delete. Once you've found it, you have 2 simple options. Right-click the item and select Delete, which removes it immediately, or hover over the favorite and click the X icon that appears next to it. Either action takes it off your list right away. This only affects your favorites, not your browsing history. And if you use the same Microsoft account across devices, changes will sync so your list stays consistent everywhere. That's all you need to confidently add and remove favorites in Microsoft Edge. Use the star in the address bar or the Ctrl-D shortcut to save pages quickly, and manage or clean up your list from the Favorites panel with a right click or a single X. Thanks for watching.